performance, let's talk about few figures. 730 horsepower. So that's the base of the MC20 Nettuno double twin turbo V6 Maserati engine, pushed to its maximum, 730 horsepower. And 730 is actually also the max torque in Newton meter. So obviously with those two, you can imagine how extreme is the performance of the vehicle. And actually, this car will be the most powerful ever Maserati track only ever produced. Secondly, exclusivity. When we started the design, the engineering of this product, we had in mind a very selected audience. Car lovers, car passionate, Maserati lovers, racers that could go to also push the boundary with us. 62 pieces will be produced, and I'm pleased to say that all of them have been already sold out. We are considering opening a waiting list for that. So the third part of this car, obviously, is design. And probably, more than words, it's better to unleash this fantastic vehicle, MCXtrema.
We were born from racing 109 years ago. And as you know, you cannot win a race by looking to the rearview mirror. You can only win if you look forward, if you keep pushing, if you keep innovating. And that's exactly what we did with the MCXtrema. Every detail, every surface is done with performance in mind. Designed 100% in the computer to allow for real-time feedback with the engineering team. Now, being Italian engineers, not only do they understand performance, but there's an ingrained sense of beauty. At the same time, working in Cento Stile Maserati, not only do you understand beautiful design, but you also respect performance and aerodynamics. And it's this mutual respect that the teams had for each other that allows us to create this stunning machine. But the MCXtrema also follows the same construction philosophy as our road cars, like the Gran Turismo, with a central fuselage and these volumes to hold the wheels. And this goes back 76 years ago, when we started building our first Gran Turismo, when we took the idea of creating a track-only car with open wheels, but to give you the opportunity to drive it to the track and back to the home by making road legal, by covering the wheels and enabling the lights. But there's still a difference between the two cars, obviously. Our road cars live in an urban environment. They're rolling sculptures. They're supposed to add beauty to the environment. They're an exercise in purity and an exercise in visual longevity. On the other hand, the MCXtrema, the natural habitat is the track, so the gloves are off. But we're also using this car, this exercise, to study elements that you will be able to find in future production cars. Like, when you'll see it later, the taillights in the shape of the tridente. Because for us, the tridente is not just a logo, it's the weapon of a mythical god. Thank you very much. Back to you, Bill.
Yeah. Look, there's nothing for me to say other than wow, right? Adding to the excitement, we have a lot of different activations along the peninsula this week. Just down the road, we have the House of Maserati, where we're giving exclusive test drives of our Gran Turismo and MC20, so please join us there. And also this evening, we'll further recognize the power of Gran Turismo by convening Maserati owners with their own cars to do a historical lap around the Laguna Seca track for a milestone moment with the brand. Thank you for joining us and your attention this morning at the Quail. Have a great day.
Sorry. Just real quick.
Oh, yeah.
shark fin wing. That is actually insane. They did a fabulous job with this car. Enormous exhaust, huge rear diffuser.
Oh, actually? Is that a joke? No?
No. Oh, it's not a joke.
No, it's
a monocoque.
okay. Alright, you can look through the...
Yeah.
No.
There's a model.
Wednesday.
There's nothing inside. That's fine.
What do you here till Sunday? Gotcha. Nice.
Lots of work to do.
Yeah, I'll see you around. I've been from 6 a.m. to sounds good.
Our Halo product, the Gran Turismo has been and will remain the company's icon. You know, the GT was always created to provide drivers with incredible performance and comfort over long trips. And we're confident the next generation of Gran Turismo delivers on that promise, claiming its title as the ultimate Grand Tour. Its successful formula has been built on 3 key pillars. First is performance. The car has to be light, with strong acceleration and superior handling. Next is comfort. The car needs to be luxurious with force. And the Luce Folgore, which were designed to commemorate this important and historic milestone. Over here to my left is the Prisma, a refined work of art equipped with the Maserati V6 Nettuno engine, dedicated to the heritage of the GT brand. Its bodywork is made of chromatics consisting of 14 different hand-painted colors. It's embellished when you come up and see it with over 8,500 applied letters, making up the names of historical Maseratis through the years. And to my right over here is the Luce, a true representation of Maserati innovation. It features the fully electric Folgore motor setup and represents the latest in technology and Maserati engineering. It's outfitted with an original chromatic mirrored monolith engraved with dynamic laser etched patterns and is painted in almost absent color, if you look at it, allowing for the contours to blend into its environment. As you can see with the Prisma and Luce, we didn't engineer 2 separate cars. Instead, we created a single platform to accommodate both powertrain sources, providing the best of both technologies without a visual differentiation.